Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Courtyard by Marriott Gainesville. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, non-smoking rooms, fitness center and a facilities for disabled guests. Courtyard by Marriott Gainesville has an outdoor pool and a 24-hour fitness center. It offers same-day dry cleaning services. University of Florida is 7.3 miles away. All rooms are fitted with a mini fridge, a tea, coffee maker and air conditioning. Each one has a comfortable workspace which includes an ergonomic chair and good lighting. For breakfast, guests can enjoy a variety of American dishes and warm drinks at the on-site cafe. Snacks and cool drinks are available from the mini market. Courtyard by Marriott Gainesville has a self-service laundry area and also provides daily housekeeping services for all guest rooms. Florida Museum of Natural History is 2 miles away from Courtyard by Marriott Gainesville. Butterfly Rainforest is a 5-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.